If you want to make money online but don't have a website yet, this is the link in bio that you need. Once I break it down, how it works and how simple it is to set it up, you'll be able to make money as soon as you're done finishing all of the different steps. So let me show you how you can set up your link in bio to start getting paid as a coach, as an instructor, if you want to take on clients, or if you want to explore the route of course creation, digital products like ebooks, planners, templates. Let me take you to my computer.
First, go to Snipfeed. I have a link in the description. Make your account. Put all the information that you're going to put in, and now you can start adding your socials. One cool thing that they have is a feature. Your main social, grab the link and put it in the Snipfeed link. It will do a little shortcut. So let me show you in a moment. Continue. So tell me about yourself. Let's see. Beauty, health and wellness. Continue. I'm going to sell some ebooks for sure, setting up some one-on-ones. My template is going to be pretty basic. I don't want anything crazy. And if I want to upgrade, I can do a few more things like fortunafemenina.com, but we'll figure that out later. You can get on a call with them if you want. Obviously, I got you. I'll help you. But you will be able to get some exclusive coaching with the creators of Snipfeed, as well as your specific link. It's just literally amazing. I'm going to press start with the basics, and look how cool they show you. Like, you can get fortunafemenina.com. So that is where you would start. So if you go right here to my page, you'll see what it looks like. I'm going to remove this mailing list all the way to the bottom. The Instagram thing, I don't like that. I don't really like that. So let's remove that. Social links, I could totally do that there. So let's add a link. Let's just say that I'm going to give them my TikTok. Let's just do that for now. And what I love is that this was the shortcut because I put my main one. This is what they took from it, and it's literally exactly what's on the link in my own bio. The very first thing I'm going to add is exclusive content, which is right here. I want to make sure that they get a free download. So it's very simple to do. All you're going to do is add the file, which is like a photo of whatever it is that you're selling. That can be something as easy as this. Is super simple. So you're going to upload it and just title it the same thing. I'm going to make it free, and now I'm going to upload the content. So if I have the checklist done already, let's say it's this PDF, and that's it. That's what they're going to get. So I'm going to publish it, add it as a block, and that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to make it featured. That way it can be nice and big. And look, that's why you want that, because you will be able to see how it looks.
This is actually a free program, which really hooked me in. That's the beauty of this. I highly suggest that you dig into it if you want a free month and upgrade off pro so you can get that cool customized URL. I have a link in the description, and just use the link work with Senia. Put that code in there and you'll get 1 free month off pro. Okay, let's get back into the video.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. If you are on your phone, if you click on this and it's telling you like whatever it is, you can literally put a photo of your thing. This is your free download. You can do your free download here. And obviously you can pay for it too. The way that mine is set up is I have free downloads, but I also have ones that are not free downloads. I could take you straight to Strategy Call in app, or I can use my Calendly if I already have that, as well as if you want to do your own, I have a tutorial for you. You can add affiliate links to certain things, and it's pretty cool. I love the in-app checkout though, which is pretty bomb. And I also love that you can embed your videos, especially now that I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. I always have the latest video up here.
Send me a message or leave me a comment below. I love sending the people that sign up with my code a super fun download that is going to help you how to make money on Instagram and all of the socials. I'll see you in the next video.